Hey y'all, it's Kathy Joe. Today is exciting. This is a collaboration with Heidi Sonboul. It's a Heidi Sonboul DIY tour. It is the fall and or Halloween, you know, whatever you want to do, collaboration, which is really cool. I did a little bit of both, but I'm not a big Halloween person, like decorating for Halloween. But because my kids are grown, my kids are 24 and 25, and I'm sorry about the noise. I think my husband knows when I'm about to record, and he starts drilling or pounding or something. So anyway, y'all need to check out the description box and check out everybody's videos, and you just enjoy yourself. Again, I don't know if I said I have 6 DIYs for y'all. I'm really excited about this, so y'all just sit back and relax and enjoy yourself watching the videos. To all my subscribers, I love y'all from the bottom of my heart. To all my new subscribers, thank you. You guys are wonderful. I appreciate it. Welcome to the family. If you guys are brand new, hi, I'm Kathy Joe. Anyway, so without anything left to be said that I can think of, let's get on with the video. Okay, y'all, right here I got me some of those black roses and purple roses from the Dollar Tree that has the little eyeballs and spiders in them. Talking loud as I can because my husband's out there drilling. I got one of those 12-inch wreath forms. I think it's grapevine, and I just cut them down. I'm just shoving them in there. I didn't have to use any glue or anything. And just gonna go, well, there you go all the way around it. There it is. Well, I'm not done yet. So anyway, I got some of that Beetlejuice looking ribbon. I got that from Sam's, and it was only like $5.96 for like something stupid, 750 yards, I don't know, but it was a lot. Anyway, I'm just gonna attach it with black floral wire. Anyway, I got that little sign right there in the middle, quit your witching, from Dollar General. It was $1. Right here, I'm just making an orange bow to go in front of that. I thought I needed more because I had those orange pumpkins that I threw in there and some white pumpkins. I just glue it on there. And I'd already wrapped a piece of that Beetlejuice ribbon around the inside of the wreath and to hang it on, and there you go. So here I got me some of those sticks because every time I get done with one of those little sponge paint brushes, I tear the sponge off of it and use a stick. I'm just gonna paint them in acrylic black paint. I painted 4 of them, but I only ended up needing 3 of them. So anyway, I got 2 of those things, but I lost one, can't find it. And little candle holders, they're really, really cool. And then I got a little brown candle here, LED, and I'm going to paint it black. Oh, I am so sorry about that noise. Anyway, I just threw some of that acrylic paint over there to knock some of that shine off of it. So, here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these legs, glue it on them. Just use hot glue, glue it on the bottom. I suggest if you want it to be more permanent that you use E6000. Or you can put wood on. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry about that noise. Anyway, I told you we were doing remodeling on the house. Anyway, this is part of Heidi Sonboul DIY Fall Halloween collaboration. Let me see. Oh, I'm sorry. I got me those those are only $2.77. You get 3 of those rings from Walmart, and I use this called Willow, and I just clip it off, and I'm gonna put it on there. I take some jute twine and I tie it all together, and I'm just going to tie it to it. Now, what I realized is that thing tips and slips and slides everywhere, so you might want to use some glue or something. Learn a lesson with that. So, I already had those cotton stems tied together. So I just put them on top of it. And I'm cutting off some lamb's ear here that come on a bushel of flowers. It's not very pretty, but I think my husband threw away some of my candles and my lamb ears by accident, but breaks my heart, but I don't know what to do about it. If it's gone, it's gone. He can't complain when I go buy more. Anyway, so I have the letter H here. The reason I have the letter H is because my last name is Hall. And I got moss chalk paint, and I'm going to paint that in moss because I love that color. And I drilled 2 holes in the top of it, and I took some of that, oh my gosh, it's driving me crazy. It's 1mm macrame cord, and I'm going to do, it's called a lark's head knot. It's just, you just pull the rope through the center of the hole there, and I put me some beads on it. And I'm going to tie it through the H. So anyway, Heidi Sonboul is hosting this collaboration. Y'all need to check out the playlist. Because I think you'll enjoy it. So I got me some craft paper here from Hobby Lobby, and it's only 25 cents. You get 4 for $1. And I'm tracing out these 2 wooden pumpkins that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I did 2 of them, one with gray and one with black buffalo check pattern. And I put them on with Loctite. So, anyway, that's what I always use. One of them I'm going to wrap with jute twine, one of the stems. And the other one I will be wrapping with cotton twine. There you go. And I got that board from Home Depot for free. And I just painted it in ivory. Then I spray painted that thankful word, those big chunky, I don't know what they're made out of, MDF board. And I just put my pumpkins in there, and I glued my thankful on there. And I put a gray gingham bow on the black one, and a black gingham bow on the gray one. So here's just one of those canvases from the Dollar Tree. Just plain canvas, no wood on it, and I'm painting it black. And I got that welcome sign off a little sign that says, well, I'm about to show you. Welcome, my pretties. I just wanted to welcome. I did the same thing with that pumpkin, but I did that in my last video but it just didn't work out. So I got one of those little square decorating wall hanging pieces, and I'm just gonna score the sides off of it. I like that. I thought that went good with it. And I'm gonna glue it to the bottom of my canvas just to make like a little edge. I did it to the top and the bottom, obviously. Apparently very slowly also. Y'all need to check out everybody in this collaboration. You'll enjoy it. All these ladies are very, very, very talented, and they work really hard. I mean, this stuff takes time. It does. You see a few minutes of it, and these ladies spend days on it sometimes. So, I glued my pumpkin down, and I'm just going to take my little welcome sign, and I was going to glue it one way, but it fell with glue on it, so I just slid it down. There you go. Now it's sideways. So I got one of these little pumpkins with the raised pieces on it. I like that, but I just took my heat gun, hit the back of it real good, and hit the front of it, and popped those little pieces off there. I painted it in steel, Waverly chalk paint. Now, I'm going to take that paper there. It's got the cotton bolls on it. Trace it out. Put it on my little pieces. And glue it back to the pumpkin. So, there I am with the Loctite. I love that stuff. It's sticky, messy, but if you do it like that, it's not bad. I sanded down the rough edges. And I'm just gluing it on here. I just knew I was going to glue that on wrong and have that all messed up. But I didn't. I got it right. Well, I almost put it on upside down. But I didn't. I got it right. There you go. Now that one is done. So that little come in for a spell sign, I will cover that stuff later. I fill in the little holes with that spackling. That's what I use almost all the time. I tried wood filler, but it's just too much of a mess. So on some boards, obviously, on real wood and stuff, I'll use it. But I like using that spackling for that. Excuse me. I'm going to paint it in Waverly White chalk paint. And I've just shown you here that I wanted to make it look like shiplap. I took my ruler and one of my paint markers, black paint marker, and just ran little lines on the side. I spray painted that little harvest paint in that exact same gray that I painted the thankful sign. And I'm just gluing it on there and gluing my pumpkin on there. And I had a piece of braided raffia because I took that raffia and stuck it back on that little pumpkin with some beads. Cut it down a little bit. Laid it down there. Glued it. Stuck it. So here, I wanted to do a brown. It ended up being a mess. Because I took the velvet off one of them pumpkins and spray painted it and it just smashed in. But anyway, I was going to do brown and I painted that little plant thing in cashew. And then I had some old jewelry, bracelets and stuff, and I'd already put cotton twine on the pumpkins. But I decided to bling it up a little bit. Try to make a video a little bit for everybody. So anyway, I was going to distress those pumpkins in gray and it did not work. It was, yeah. And then I don't know what happened I lost the footage of me putting the thing together. But you basically just set the pumpkins on there and glue them together. Yeah, it's pretty simple. So I'm going real slow showing y'all how I'm doing this. I don't know why. Oh yeah, there you go. I'm glad I kept that part in the video. That's probably what I kept, and I probably deleted the part that I showed you where I put it together. So, just doing the same thing to the little one. I didn't do it to the big one. And here it all is. I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to watch the entire playlist. You'll enjoy it. I scuffed up the wall there when I was hanging my big old feathers. Isn't that pretty? Anyway, I think that's adorable. I love it. I like both. I like the whole thing. I really do. Forgot to turn my candles on, but yeah, I really like it. I think it's cute. I love the thankful sign and the harvest sign, and then that sign with my initial on it. Now, here's the more Halloweeny stuff. Why is that flickering? That's crazy. Anyway, like y'all know, right? You're all like, well, I don't know. Look at that. Looks like my little potion's boiling. Isn't it cute? Oh, it's so cute. Y'all have a blessed day. Be safe. Don't forget to check out the playlist and watch everybody on the playlist and give them a thumbs up and subscribe. Y'all have a great day. God bless.